So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to sell cryptocurrency for US dollars or USD on the MetaMask application. So once you open up the MetaMask app, go to the bottom left where it says home, and then right below where it says add funds on the left hand side it says buy, select that, and then at the bottom press sell crypto. So once you're on this page, go ahead and select your region, but right at the top right where it says USD, you want to make sure that's where it says USD. So for example, if you want to do it in euros, you can go ahead and do that. But in this case, you want to do it for US dollars, so make sure that USD is selected. Then you can go ahead and select whatever crypto you want to sell. So for example, if you wanted to sell, I don't know, what's a good example here? Let's sell USDC as an example. It'll show you how much you have and what you can sell it for. Then at the bottom, you can send your cash to your debit or credit card account, or if you want to change that, you can do a bank transfer as well, whatever works for you guys. But the main important thing here is in the top right, it's showing US dollars. Go to the bottom, press on get quotes, and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to sell crypto for USD on the MetaMask application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.